everybody, Crafting Journey here. I have another Treasure Studios art unboxing for you today. It comes in this beautiful pink and black box with the pink, it looks like diamonds. On the back, it has the steps on how to diamond paint and all of the social media contacts for Treasure Studios Arts. And the cool thing about this box is that it opens from the side. How cool is that? It has the thumbnail of the picture on the side or the back. What do you want? Top, bottom, whatever you want to call it. So that when you put it in with all your other diamond paintings, you can see what's what. Yeah. So this one opens from the side, and there is your diamond painting. So let's get it out. That's a beautiful box, I gotta tell you. And it all comes inside of another box, a second box. I'll show you the second box. When you get it, it's shipped inside of this. You open this and you have that other box. So let's see what came with the diamond painting. All right, we have the toolkit. This is their standard toolkit. It's a pink organza bag. I love me some pink. It is branded. It says Treasure Studios Art on there. And I love to save these bags. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of them, but I save them. So inside you have your kit. It comes with a tray with a spout. You have a pen with a plastic tip. How cool is that? I think that's new. I haven't seen that before. All right, so, and you get a squishy to put on your pen so you can diamond paint. Then you have some choices here of which placer you want to put on the pen. You can put a 7 placer on the end of the pen, or you could put a 4 placer on the end of the pen. There you go. Or you could put a straightener on the end of the pen. So there we go. Yeah, a straightener on the end of the pen. How cool is that? You get 2 pieces of pink wax that have, they're a little bit melted because it's 100 degrees outside. My goodness. And then you get these gorgeous set of pink tweezers. They are the round type. There'll be close-ups for all of these. And that is your toolkit. This is a very nice toolkit, I have to say. Because the 4 placer and the 7 placer are the thin ones that I really, really enjoy diamond painting with. And you can close it up and save it. And everything you need to diamond paint is in this kit. If you don't have fancy pens or trays or storage systems, this is it. This is all you need. Plus, the diamonds come in baggies. Let's find them and I'll show you. So we have this outer bag to protect the painting. We should have diamonds in here. Let's just open up the painting. This painting is bigger than I thought. Okay, and here's the diamonds. They're all bagged for you. If you work out of bags, you're ready to go. They all have the DMC number on them that coordinates with the schematic that's on the side of the canvas. And we get a lovely inventory sheet as well. Here is the inventory sheet that shows us a picture of the painting. It has the number of the drills, it has the symbol, it has the DMC number, and then the 4th column has the amount of drills that you're getting. And they're all in the bag in order. Here is one of the colors. On that, you'll see that you get this right here. It'll say on the bag, it'll have the kit number on the top. This kit number is 3205. Then under the black strip, it says 936. That's the DMC number. And then you have the weight of the diamonds underneath. We're going to take these out and we're going to count them. All right, just really quickly. Okay, we have 35. And it has my favorite color in here, pink, any kind of pink. This happens to be 818 DMC nut color. You're still looking to see what I've gotten, haven't you? Oh boy. Well, this is a special artist, Deborah Malcolm. Her artwork was released a few months ago. If you ordered it, you should be getting your paintings soon. I can never put this back the way they had it. I don't know who gets paid to do this at the factory, but God love them. Because I wouldn't want that job. I don't put them back in any kind of order. I don't work out of bags. I will, when I'm ready to do this painting next year during a year of landscapes, I will put them in my fancy storage container. The Harbor Freights that I got from the Harbor Freight store for $5. I think they're down, now they're up to about $6. All right. Sorry for all the noise. All right, that does not want to go back the way it came. There we got them all back in the bags. All right. Here's our inventory sheet. And there is the canvas. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, it is called The Abandoned Old Farmhouse by Deborah Dickson. I think I said Malcolm before. Deborah Dickson. My apologies to Deborah Dickson for not getting her name right. Okay, so this is, look how gorgeous. It's an old farmhouse, guys. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. You've got the farmhouse, the gate in front of it. There's lots of greens in here, lots of confetti I'm looking at. There's some areas of color blocking up here in the side areas. But the barn itself and this sky area where the greenery is, and down here where the greenery is, you got some confetti. This is stunning. So as you know, next year I'm doing the year of landscapes. I'm going to give you some up-close looks at the drills. You can see how clear that they are. You can see on the canvas itself, it has a schematic in the upper right, and it has one down here in the lower left. So that if you are on a smaller surface than this, you can roll the canvas up, and then you'll always have a schematic showing. And always roll it with the glue outward. This is mounted film adhesive. The difference between this and poured glue is that it will not yellow over time. It's a very strong adhesive. So I will show the plastic. They don't use the cheapo plastic at Treasure Studios. It's really on here. Wow. Okay. This is a very thick, heavy plastic, which I like. Yeah, very, very sticky. This is really nice. There's no air under this canvas, except for when I just opened it there. Now there is. But it's stunning. There you have it, guys. Okay, that is The Abandoned Old Farmhouse by Deborah Dickson. If you would like to go to Treasure Studios, down in the link in the description, there's a link that will take you directly to Treasure Studios. If you find yourself on the website and something happens to make its way into your cart, you can use my code Rebecca15 and get a discount. That's REBECCA 15. You get 15% off your total purchases. Cool. Yeah. maybe you would like to paint this along with me. Next year I am doing the year of landscapes. I will be doing landscapes all year round. This will be in the rotation. Probably what I'll be doing is working on several different ones, so that I don't get bored, because these do take a while due to the amount of confetti. So I'm going to be rotating them. So you'll probably see a lot of different ones on the channel. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Take it out for dinner. It especially likes the cherry limeade at Sonic. So buy him one. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and hit the bell, the notification bell, so you know when I have another video posted, because you don't want to miss them. I do crafting and crime daily, where I cover live trials, so you can have something to listen to while you craft. So take care, everybody. Love you. Bye.